M0FXB, welcome to M0FXB. I'm just showing you how an Allstar node, this is an Asterisk Allstar node, homemade, but it's virtually the same as the one G7 RPG would make, in the fact that it uses Asterisk and a bow phone and a sound card, but you don't actually need the radios connected. You can just use a PC or a phone. So if we look here, we're using DV switch. Now there is a setup process to this where you're editing the files in Asterisk using WinZip to do this. But once it's done, these are the different things you can connect to. So for example, right now we are connected to Talk Group 91 DMR. But if we want, we can hold our finger on here like so, and we can connect to DMR, D-Star, NXDN, P25, and so on. Okay, so it seems very quiet at the moment. I think we're registered. Status, yeah, it says registered. So M0FXB, calling for an audio check. Just see if we get anyone. No one there right now, but you get the idea. So we can also change, because on a DV Switch app, you can actually configure different things. So at the top here, I've got my Windows client connected. So let's just select it, and then we'll go back and we'll connect. We're now connected to that.
Node 539013.
So we're now connected to DV Switch app and Allstar. So let's try connecting to something. So we'll go star 341522, which should be HubNet.
Node 41522 connected to node 539013. Remote already in this mode.
Okay, so it's saying we're already connected to HubNet. So that's fine. So let's have a look at what else we've got on here. If we go like so, and that one, actually I got that one wrong. That one is connected to my node and Allstar. So basically my node and DV switch I don't need a radio now. I can just use DV switch to talk and receive, and the Allstar Raspberry Pi that is inside this box here to chat. And then the other one is the PC one, which is the number 2 one. So let's tap on that. Yeah, make sure that's selected. Go back. Now let's click register. Now I think I changed the IP address, so it's possible. I'm just going to change the IP address on it. One sec. So when we're on the PC, it looks like this. You can see my IP is 110, but it should be 115. Let's try it. Okay, it doesn't want to connect today, but that's not the point. Is that you can run these 3 items on one Allstar node, and you can actually make an Allstar node. So this is my Raspberry Pi Zero version 2 DV switch server, and I'm just going to show you inside here. So I know it looks a mess, but the Pi 3B here is basically my Allstar node and has asterisks on it. The Pi Zero version 2, you get these for about under £20, is running DV switch. But it could be running an Allstar server, but it can't. I don't think you can run both. Maybe you can, but that's very clever. But what I'm saying is that with a DV Switch server and an Allstar node in a Raspberry Pi, you can get one method of using that is the DV Switch app, and you can get D-Star, Fusion, DMR, Allstar. You can literally get everything that you'd want to get with this setup. Now I know for me personally, I like using radios, but just for people out there who prefer tinkering with computers and phones and Raspberry Pis, well, this is just great fun. So I hope you like this. 7.3, catch you on air, all the best.